Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the Bambu Lab 3D printer. So I wanted to try this because I wanted something that was fast, enclosed, and easy to use, and I came across this. So this printer is crazy quick compared to most home printers. You have the enclosed design which keeps print more consistent, and then setup is super simple. Has that automatic bed leveling, so you're basically ready to print straight out of the box. You can also add multicolor printing for more creative options, but overall very impressed with this so far and very happy with it.